as the Trump administration ramps up its immigration crackdown, Baltimore's mayor has issued a new executive order. Mayor Brandon Scott has authorized city attorneys to represent non-citizens in immigration court. Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor has more on the controversial initiative and how residents are reacting to it. Rebecca.
Kai, while the mayor argues that this move is meant to protect residents that are facing unfair deportations, residents that I spoke with are questioning whether this is really a fair use of their city resources. A new executive order from Mayor Brandon Scott, potentially pulling Baltimore's law department into immigration court. With the swipe of his pen, Scott single-handedly authorizing the city solicitor and other city attorneys to represent Baltimore residents involved in immigration proceedings. The order noting the legal help would be provided on a pro bono basis, meaning attorneys would volunteer their time and only if there are no conflicts of interest. According to Scott, the effort is needed to help protect vulnerable residents navigating a complex legal system. But critics say the policy raises serious concerns about how taxpayer-funded resources are being used.
There are nonprofits. There are plenty of law firms that will do this pro bono without the city getting involved.
Taxpayer advocate David Williams arguing even if the representation is pro bono, the attorneys are still salaried city employees paid with public dollars. Williams adding, it blurs the line between the city's legal responsibilities and private legal advocacy.
This is not about a legal defense. This is about virtue signaling. This is about Mayor Scott going against the Trump administration. He thinks he's getting points with this, and he really isn't, because there is going to be a backlash with the amount of time and money that is spent on these defenses.
That doesn't make sense.
Mayor Scott, you need to take a look at your city first.
Bus is turning. Residents Fox 45 spoke with at a West Baltimore bus stop also questioning the move.
They should worry about the people that are here. We have people out here are homeless. We have people that's on substance abuse that need help.
Y'all taking resources from Americans and then y'all giving them to illegal migrants, and then you wonder why Trump don't want to help the whole state.
Fox 45 sending questions to the mayor's office today, asking for his response to those concerns. What safeguards ensure this won't interfere with the law department's government duties? And could this set a precedent for city attorneys taking on other personal legal cases? The mayor's office responding with a statement, arguing the order only allows city lawyers to volunteer their personal time. Therefore, quote, they are not diverting time and resources away from their primary role for the city. Now, because this was an executive order that the mayor took his own initiative on, I did also reach out to all 15 of Baltimore City's council members on the issue. So far, I've heard back from 2 council members, both of them supporting the mayor's decision, one coming from Councilwoman Odette Ramos, the other Councilman Zach Blanchard. He sent me a statement. It reads, quote, given the unprecedented prosecution of Baltimore's immigrant community, I appreciate all efforts made by the mayor's administration to support our immigrant neighbors. Reporting live in Baltimore City, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Kai Jackson. Thank you for watching. Here's another video to watch. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel.